Thank you for the welcome again. We talked last time about the evolution of Kerf, starting with plasma, evolving into water jet, and now we've got something a little bit different here that you've been working on for a couple of years. Explain to me what we've got here and the journey of how you've got to this machine being on your workshop floor.
Okay, so this is a fibre laser system supplied by Lincoln Electric, and it's something that it really goes back to MACH 22, where we noticed more and more diversification to laser cut parts, and we just thought we saw it as an opportunity for us. Again, our history, looking at the market, looking at the evolvement, and looking and adapting to that. I mean, flexible and moving with it. So that gave us the idea, and then following that, we did a lot of market research. I did a lot myself, and a lot of research in terms of going round customers, going round people who we know, and just getting a feel, taking the temperature of the market. My colleague in Northern Ireland, who we work with, our sales partner over there, did the same. And after about 3 or 4 months of research, our view is that the market is changing, the market is developing, and that we need to be seriously looking at bringing in a fibre laser system. And that's kind of conclusion that we came to. Now, we're careful, we think things through, we don't rush into decisions, but because of our partnership, historical strong partnership with Lincoln Electric,
right,
it was natural for us to work with Lincoln on the fibre laser system, and that's what we did. And it was MACH 2024 in April where we launched this system.
Okay, so we're in 25 now. 22, you started investigating, started seeing a change in the marketplace with your client base and what they were needing to cut.
The general market as well.
So it started in 22, evolved right through to 24, where you then demoed or had this machine on your stand.
At MACH, so we actually did the launch. It was actually the European launch at MACH.
Okay.
Where we had this machine on our stand.
And what happened with Lincoln in between? I mean, just explain to me what that relation helped achieve in getting this machine to market.
For us, again, historically, when the business was formed in 2002, is Lincoln Electric has been a strong. It was Caliburn then Lincoln Electric. It's been a strong partner, a core partner in everything that we do. So this goes to the plasma units that we sell on our machines that are included as part of the system, the Bernie CNC control, which is a Lincoln Electric product. The involvement, the partnership, the strength of that relationship, it was just natural for us to carry that on.
Right.
In the background, we do research and development work for Lincoln Electric, for new product developments that we will test here and report. So for us, the natural partner was always going to be Lincoln, and because they will support us as well.
Yep.
The machines are manufactured in France, they're factory in Parthenay. There's a technical support team there that technically support us, which it is just so natural.
It's product development,
it's just such a perfect fit for us.
Product development. Okay, so how many of these machines are out there now working? I mean, since MACH 24, was it success for you?
It was a great success. Honestly, it was probably one of the best shows we've ever had.
Fabulous.
Because again, we've got the balance, we've got the plasma, we've got the water jet, we've got oxy-fuel, we've got laser. Again, we approach every inquiry with an open mind, but this is a flagship for us now. This is the product that will give us growth for the next number of years, and it's been a great success. We sold a number of units now on the back of MACH, all new business as well.
Brilliant.
And as well, with our core base of over 750 machines, there will be a natural alliance to our existing customer base that the next investment will be laser. And we just see ourselves now in a great position where we've got a very rounded product range. We can offer independent, unbiased, balanced advice to the customer.
And just out of interest, I'm presuming, and please correct me if I'm wrong, I'm presuming that there's a a conversation of energy in here that is taking us towards these sorts of machines compared to plasma? Is it energy usage? Is it
I think it's more about the fact that the price of fibre lasers, the actual capital cost has come right down. The running costs, depending on the material, it's not just a simple straight answer. It depends on the material, the thickness, and everything else. But it's just the balance of where plasma and laser kind of meet. Is that there will be certain advantages with fibre laser and there are certain advantages with plasma over certain thicknesses, and this is where we give that advice.
Okay.
But I think that if a customer's manufacturing a lot of components, say under 15 millimetres thickness in mild steel, we see that as being core laser territory.
Right.
15 millimetres and above still brings high definition plasma into play.
Okay.
But this is the conversation you sit down with the customer and go through the type of work they do, the materials, what their expectations are, so we can tailor a solution.
But as a broad conversation, you're saying 15 mil and under this machine, ideally?
Yeah, as a broad benchmark.
A broad conversation.
As a broad benchmark.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's going to be interesting to see how the market evolves. Obviously, you're back at MACH 26.
We'll be at MACH 26,
yep,
Sam's already booked.
And I'm presuming you're taking this machine again, or a variety?
Yeah, it will be. So we don't know what particular spec of the machine at the time, but again, it will be our core fundamentals of laser, plasma, water jet and oxy-fuel. Fantastic.
Okay, well, let's look forward to MACH 26. And naturally, as the market evolves and changes, we can expect to see more Lincoln and Kerf machines in the marketplace.
Oh, guaranteed.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jazz.
Cheers, Paul.
Thank you.